Hello, mga kaibigan, mga kaigsunan. Andito ako ngayon sa Wild Dreams Travel and Tours sa may MGOH, so Manila Grand Opera Hotel sa may Maynila po. Yan po ang kanilang lobby. Yan po. Yes, okay. Ito po ay matatagpuan sa may Doroteo Jose Station, LRT Station sa may Maynila po, no? Avenida Doroteo Jose. Okay, so dito ako sa isang travel agency na nagpa-process po ng mga travel tours. So meron silang Boracay Island, Philippines. Alam niyo man na Boracay, sikat na sikat sa White Beach. Meron din silang Sarangani Highlands. May Cristate Asturias, Palawan, no? Hotel sa Palawan po. Bohol, nako. Diyan yung mga kamag-anak ko. Tarsier. Di joke lang. Actually, ang roots ko po ay sa Hagna, Bohol. Kaya alam mo mga Boholano, mga babait yan. So merong Gigantes Island sa Iloilo. Yan, Boracay. Panagbenga Festival sa Baguio. Yan yung parang flower festival. May Kayangan Lake sa may Coron, Bata, Palawan. Kadayawan Festival sa Davao City. Banawi Rice Terraces sa Ifugao, Philippines. Puerto Princesa, Handed Islands, Pangasinan. Nakpan Beach sa may El Nido, Palawan. Magallanes Cross sa Cebu City. Merong Sorton Cove sa Surigao del Norte in Mindanao. Meron din pong Banawi Rice Terraces sa Banawi, Ifugao. Taal Volcano, doon naman to sa Cavite o Batangas. Okay, the smallest volcano in the world. May Dinagyang Festival sa Iloilo. May Busay Hill sa Cebu City, no? Pag nandiyan ka sa taas, oh, kita mo ang view ng baba. Okay? Meron din pong Sugba Lagoon sa Siargao, no? Sa may Mindanao po yan. Hindi, meron din dyan, mga maganda mga beaches dyan sa Siargao.
Because I already canceled.
Cloud9 Surfing. May Sinulog Festival sa Cebu, yun yung Santo Niño, okay?
I already canceled.
Okay. So dito po tayo, itong Wild Dreams Travel and Tours ay gumagawa po sila ng nag-a-assist sa visa assistance, passporting, tours, yung mga package tour po. Local po, no, sa Philippines at saka sa abroad po. So nag-a-assist din sila para makakuha ng visa, ng mga requirements. Yun po ang ginagawa ng Wild Dreams Travel and Tours. So kung gusto nyo magpabook ng biyahe sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at sa ibang bansa, pwede po kayo mag-comment sa aking Travel 369 na YouTube channel at para ma-address natin yung mga katanungan kung kano at paano ang mga requirements po, no? So isang pasada pa, no? Ayan, Cloud9 Surfing sa Siargao, Sinulog Cebu Festival, Dinagyang Festival. Ayan, Sohoton Cove sa Surigao del Norte, Busay Hill. Our friends from all over the world, come and visit our country, the Philippines. There's more fun in the Philippines, okay? Okay? So here, meron tayong mga foreigners from Spain. Viva España! Viva España! Habla, okay. Yeah, they came from Spain. You can invite your friends in Spain in Spanish, ma'am. Invite to come to the Philippines.
Invite your friends.
Okay,
Yeah.
¿quieres que hable en español? No.
No, Espanol you can speak
Speak in
yeah,
Spanish.
invite your Spanish friends to come in the Philippines. More fun, okay? It's Spanish.
How many fans ¿cuántos tienes?
So many fans.
So many.
Fans mean fun, man. More happiness. More okay.
Invito a todos los españoles a que vengan a visitar las Filipinas.
Wow.
Es precioso. ¡Mua!
Okay, so she said that come to the Philippines and enjoy our country.
Don't forget to bring me this one tomorrow. In village ECB the OR because of my So
Okay.
don't forget to bring me tomorrow.
So, 10 more.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Welcome to the Philippines.
8 o'clock.
Okay.
8:30. Mom, 8:30.
8:30? Okay.
Yan, okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Muchas gracias. O, sir.
Hi, sir.
Mag-shoutout ka at ano bang ginagawa ng ating Wild Dreams Travel and Tours?
we're here now to make accepting bookings, airline bookings, and tours. We can offer affordable rate. We can also give discount. We also entertain corporate client. And then we're giving, of course, a good service is always in our mind.
So it's local and international,
Yes,
sir.
we will accept packages, international and domestic, visa and other thing that related for travel.
Passports, visa
passport.
assistance,
Yes,
like that.
you come here and we'll give you a good service and then we'll give you affordable rate. We also give affordable when it comes to the hotel. And then the thing that is good is our Hong Kong, Bangkok, and Singapore. Our hotel is directly booking to that destinations. Our Hong Kong hotel is direct booking to Hong Kong, Bangkok, also direct to Bangkok, and Singapore also we have tour operator in Singapore so that our rate is competitive to our travel agency. For now, as you will request just to click and then you can check our email Joff.wilddreamstravel and tours at gmail.com for any informations and questions and booking purpose. Just to email as early possible. I can reply you at earliest time.
Or you can comment to our YouTube channel, Travel 369, so we can give you assistance on your requirements and other concerns. Okay, this is King Prince of Travel 369.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so
Do you
much.
have any
sir.
branches in the Philippines?
For now, we have a new. There's only a new travel agency. We'll start last November, but our rate is very competitive and affordable. And of course, our mind always to give passengers for a good service. That's
Okay,
important.
very well said, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So this is King Prince of Travel 369. One word only, YouTube channel with fruits and profile pic. Subscribe ka, sir. Subscribe, share, and like.
Yes.
Okay,
no
so
problem.
so my friends all over the world and our local friends also, our kababayans, you can come and visit Wild Dreams Travel and Tours here in Manila Grand Opera Hotel, DOC, and Avenida Station Street in Manila, Philippines. So come and visit Wild Dreams Travel and Tours. Thank you so much. God bless us all.
You're always welcome, sir.
Enjoy your travel. There's
Yes.
more fun in the Philippines.
Yes.
Come and visit Wild Dreams Travel and Tours.
We'll give you a
And
good
is-
service at any time.
Thank you so much, sir. God bless us all. To God be the glory. God is good.
Yes. Thank you.